4. Pass to number 5. For 3. Sanogo, dribble by jersey number 22. Number 13, pass to number 12. Back to number 13. Back to number 41. Pass to number 13. For 2. Sanogo, dribble by jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 1. Sam, pass to number 11. Sanogo, dribble by jersey number 32. Pass to number 13. 13, crossover. Pass to number 22. Fake. Pass to number 13. Back to number 12 for 3. Sanogo, dribble by jersey number 0. Number 6. Pass to number 11. 11 spin for 2. Basket counted on jersey number 11. Foul on jersey number 32. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 11. First. Sanogo, the foul on jersey number 32. Pass number 13. Number 22. Pass to number 41. Back to number 13. Number 41. Number 41, fake. Traveling violation on jersey number 41. Score 2-0 in favor of Formosa. Pass to number 0. Back to number 6. Number 0. Driving back to number 1. Sam. Foul. Two bonus free throw on jersey number 1. First basket is good. Second basket. Second basket is good. Number 13. Pass to number 22. Backdoor. Sanogo, dribble on jersey number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 1. Sam. Back to number 0. Pass to number 1. Falling. Getting up the play. Pass to number 0. Dribble on jersey number 41. Pass to jersey number 32. For 2. Basket good on jersey number 22. Falling. Crossing the half court. Pass to number 1. Sam. For 3. Line violation on jersey number 1. HKT 4. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 32, back to number 41. Pass to number 12. Out of bounds, same ball. Number 32, pass to number 13. Back to number 12. Number 12 for 2. Sanogo, dribble on jersey number 5. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Foul on jersey number 32. 2 personal foul on jersey number 32. Score 4-2 in favor of Formosa. Number 1. Number 11. Number 11 for 2. Bang! Single. Calling inbound. Pass to number 1. Number 1. For 2. So no good. Offensive rebound on jersey number 11. For 2. Traveling violation on jersey number 11. HKB ball. Number 22. Pass to number 41. Back to number 13. 13 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 13. Number 0. Pass to number 5. Still by number 41. Number 12 right on the floor. Pass to number 22. For 2. Easy basket on jersey number 22. Number 1, crossing the half court. Sam, dribbling the ball, pass to jersey number 5. Back to number 0. Pass to number 5. Number 5, back to number 1, Sam. For 3. So now the rebound on jersey number 32. Pass to number 13. Back to number 41. Pass to number 22. For 3. So now offensive rebound on jersey number 32. Pass to number 13. Back to number 32. Pass up for 3. So now the rebound on jersey number 6. Falling. Out of bounds. Formosa ball. Timeout. Formosa. Score 7-4 in favor of HKB. 3-point lead by team HKB. Score 7-4, 3-point lead by team HKB. Calling, pass to number 11. Back to number 1. Pass to number 5, Tom. Back to Tom. Pass to number 11. Back to number 6, Colin for 3. So no good. Rebound on jersey number 11. Colin, pass to number 5. Pass to number 1, Sam. Sam fake. For 3. Rebound on jersey number 32. Pass to jersey number 13. Back to number 12. Number 12. Back to 41. For 2. Basket good on jersey number 41. Number 11, pass to number 6 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 6. Score 9-7, 2-point lead by team HKB. Number 13, setting up the play. Pass to number 41 for 2. It's another. Formosa ball. Sam, pass to Colin. Colin, pressing the half court. Colin, pass to number 0. Back to number 6, Colin. Colin, pass to number 5. Back to Colin for 3. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 41. Pass to jersey number 12. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 13. 13, setting the play. 13. Pass to number 32. Easy 2 on jersey number 32. Tom dribbling the ball. Pass to number 6. Holding. Back to number 1. Sam. Pass to Sam again. Back to number 0. Number 0. Spin. Fake. Holding for 3. Tinogo, the ball on jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 12. Number 12. Number 12 for 2. Easy basket on jersey number 2. Substitution. Technical purpose rule. Number 12, pass to number 13. Number 13, back to number 41. Basket on jersey number 41. Sam.
You need to add 1.
Number 6, Colin. Same ball.
Hey, though.
Illegal power 1 point.
Yeah.
Illegal power 1 point. Yeah, 1 point. Yeah, right.
Number 2, pass to number 1, Sam. Sam setting the play for 3. No good. The ball on jersey number 13. 13, pass to number 32. 32 driving, pass to number 41. Traveling violation on jersey number 32. For possible. Pass to number 6, Sterling. Pass to number 1. For 3. Sologo, the ball on jersey number 32. Number 32. Kyle foul on jersey number 0.
Roy, laki foul na. No, bro, check the team foul. 3. Team foul.
2 team foul. No penalty yet. Already 2 team foul for Formosa. Number 13. Pass to number 21. Back to number 12. Number 12. Save ball. Pass to jersey number 22. Pass to number 12 for 3. Sologo, the ball by jersey number 22. Basket 2, then jersey number 32. 7 seconds remaining on the game clock. 7 seconds. Formosa ball. Score 7-19 in favor of HKB. 7 seconds remaining. Ask number 2. 5, 4, 3. And the first quarter. The score 9-7 in favor of HKD. Number 13. Number 13, pass to number 92, back to number 22, pass to number 26, for 2, serve for Mosabo. Sam, dribbling the ball, pass to number 5, pass to number 1 again, for 3, serve, divided by number 45. Pass number 92. Pass number 22. 13, setting up the play. Pass number 26. Back to number 22. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Number 22, pass number 45. Formosa ball. Sam, pass to Colin. Colin, that's number 0, that's number 1, Sam. For 3 points on jersey number 6. The score 19-10 in favor of HKB. 13, moving the ball. Pass number 26 for 2, basket 2 on jersey number 26. Number 1. Pass number 5, Tom. Tom setting the play. Pass to number 1, Sam. Sam. Pass number 0. For 2. Scoring foul on jersey number 45. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 0. First personal foul, first team foul. First basket. First basket is good on jersey number 0. Second shot. Second shot is no good. Rebound on jersey number 25. Pass to number 26. Same ball. Number 13, pass to number 22. 22, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 13, 13. Pass to number 26, 4-2. Is around it, rebound on jersey number 1. Sam, pass to number 0. Out of bounds, HKB ball. Number 13, setting up the play. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 13. 13. 13. Pass to number 26. 26. Moving the ball. 26 for 2. Is around the rebound on jersey number 2. Pass to number 1. Sam. Sam. Sam pass to Colin number 6. Colin fake. Colin drive. Shooting foul on jersey number. Shooting foul on jersey number 13. 2 team foul, 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 6. First basket is good on jersey number 6. Second shot. Second shot is good. Substitution. Come out. Number 11, Chris in. Number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 22. Number 22 setting up the play. Pass to number 36. Pull up jumper. Sinogut. Rebound on jersey number 0. Pass to number 6. Colin. Pass to number 1. Sam. Colin setting up the play. Colin, pass to number 0. Intercepted by jersey number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 13 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 13. Colin, pass to Sam. Same ball for most of all. Colin. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Back to Colin for 3. Sinogut, rebound on 3. Number 26. Pass to number 22. Number 22 fake. Pass to number 13. Back to number 26. Number 26 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 26. It's score 85-13 in favor of HKB. Colin, pass to Sam for 3. Sinogut, aggressive rebound on jersey number 2. Foul. Foul on jersey number 26. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 2. 13 foul on team HKB. First basket is no good. Second shot. Second shot is good on jersey number 2. Pass to number 22. Back to number 13. 13, setting up the play. 13. Offensive foul on jersey number. Offensive foul on jersey number 92. Number 0. Driving. Foul. HKB already in the penalty. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 0. Penalty. 2 shots on jersey number 0. First free throw. First basket is good on jersey number 0. Second shot. Second shot is good on jersey number 0. The score, 16-25 in favor of HKB. 5 minutes remaining on the game clock. Number 13. Foul. Number 32. Pass to number 13. Back to number 32 for 3. Shelby, the ball to number 6. Colin. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 1 for 3. 3 points and jersey number 1. Score 19-25. Number 22 for 2. Shelby. Foul on jersey number 0. Substitution. Timeout. HKB. Score 25-19 in favor of HKB. 6-point lead by Team HKB. Pass to jersey number 13. Pass to number 26. Back to number 71. Back to number 26 for 2. Sunogo, rebound on jersey number 71. 71. Sunogo, rebound on jersey number 6. Pass to number 1, Sam. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 1, Sam. Sam. Pass to Colin. Colin driving. Basket good on jersey number 6, Colin. Score 21-25. Sanogo, rebound number 71. Still. Pass to number 1, Sam. Back to number 0. Traveling violation on jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 13. 13. Still on jersey number 6. Pass to number 1, Sam. Sam running the floor. For 3. Salagot. Rebound by jersey number 0. Pass to number 1, Sam. For 3. Salagot. Rebound by jersey number 13. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Still on jersey number 1. Two bonus free throw on jersey number 1. HKB already in the penalty. Four-point lead by Team HKB. First basket. First basket is good on jersey number 1. 22-25. 3-point lead by Team HKB. Basket good on jersey number 1. 2-point lead by Team HKB. Number 13, setting up the play. Pass to number 12. Number 41, pass to number 22, back to number 32. Reaching foul on jersey number 0. Third team foul by Formosa team. Number 13. Number 13, pass to number 22. Number 22, driving for 2. Sanogo, jumpa ng jersey number 22. Formosa ball. 2-point lead by Team HKB. Sam crossing the half court. Still on jersey number 13, pass to number 22. Number 22 for 2. No good. Put back. Pick up. Rebound on number 0, pass to number 1. Number 1, setting up the play. Pass to number 6, Colin. Colin. Pass to number 1. HKB ball. One minute and 42 seconds remaining. Number 41, spin, fake. Foul on jersey number 11. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 41. Score 23-25 in favor of HKB. First basket. First basket is good on jersey number 41. Second free throw on jersey number 41. Basket good on jersey number 41. The score 27-23. 4-point lead by Team HKB. Number 1, Sam. Pass to number 2. Number 2 for 2. Sanogo, jumpa ng jersey number 32. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Basket good on jersey number 12. One bonus free throw on jersey number 12. First basket is good. Colin setting up the play. Pass to Sam for 3. It's all good. Same ball. 58 seconds remaining on the game clock. 58 seconds. Colin. Pass number 2 for 2. Sanogo, jumpa ng jersey number 11. Calling for 3. 3 points on jersey number 6. 4-point lead by Team HKB. 13, pass number 41. Back to number 32. 32, pass number 12. Back to number 32 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 32. Colin for 3. 3 points on jersey number 6. 8 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 22. 8, 6, 5. Basket count on jersey number 6. Basket count on jersey number 6. 1 bonus free throw on jersey number 6. Score 31-35. Favor of HKB. Basket good on jersey number 6. 3 seconds remaining. 2. Score 32-35 in favor of HKD. 3-point lead by Team HKD. 35-32 in favor of HKB. 3-point lead by Team HKB.
Nice hang man.
Setting up the play. Pass number 6 calling. Pass number 0. 0. Spin. Back to number 6 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 6. All 35. Number 41. Pass number 12 for 2. Foul on jersey number 5. 2 bonus people on jersey number 12. First basket is good. That's your rebound on jersey number 12. Pass number 32. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Back to pass 1 for 2. Set out good. Rebound on jersey number 0. Number 0. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 6. Back to number 0. 0. 0. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Back to number 0. Number 0. Traveling violation on jersey number 0. HKB ball. Number 32 setting up the play. Pass number 22. Back to number 41. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Still by number 6. Number 6. For 3. Turnover. You got on number 22. HKB ball. 1-4 lead by Team HKB. Number 32. Pass to number 32. Back to number 32. 32. Back to number 12 for 3. Jordan foul on jersey number 5. One bonus meter on jersey number 12. Basket 2 on jersey number 12. Score 35-14. Calling. Driving for 2. Shooting foul on jersey number 22. 2 bonus meter on jersey number 6.
Kailan na yung number 32? 30.
First basket is no good. Third personal foul on jersey number 32. Second shot is no good. Rebound on jersey number 32. 32. Pass in the half court. 32. Pass number 32. Back to number 12. Number 12 for 2. No good. Formosa ball. Pass number 6, Colin, dribbling the ball. Colin, pass number 0. Number 0. Foul. Foul on jersey number 41. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 0. First basket is good on jersey number 0. Score 36-40 in favor of HKB. Second basket is good on jersey number 0. 3-point lead by team HKB. Number 12, pass to number 32. Number 32. For two bonus free on jersey number 22. Shooting foul on jersey number 5. First basket is good. Second shot is now with the run on jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, pass on jersey number 0. Number 0 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 0. 2-point lead by team HKB. Pass number 21. Pass number 26. Pass number 22. 22, dribbling the ball. Pass number 32 for 3. Rebound on jersey number 26. Sailing ball. Number 22. Number 22 driving for 2. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 0. Number 0 for 2. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Back to number 32. Number 12. Pass to number 32. Back to number 12. Number 12 setting the play. Number 12 driving for 2. Sanogo. Formosa ball. (39-41) in favor of HKB. 2-point lead by team HKB. Number 0. Number 0. Driving pass number 2 for 2. Basket good and jersey number 2. Score, tied at 41. Number 22 setting up the play. Number 22 for 3. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 1, Sam. Crossing the half court. Number 1 setting up the play. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Sam. Rebound on jersey number 32. Pass to number 12. Number 12 driving. Number 2. Pass to number 22. Back to number 22. For 3. Sanogo, rebound on number 41. Pass to number 32. Pass to number 32. For 3. 3 points on jersey number 22. 41-44. Number 1, Sam, setting up the play for 3. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 12. Number 12, pass to number 26. Back to number 12. Back to number 36. Number 36. Foul. Intercepted by jersey number 0. Number 0. Foul on jersey number. Time out. Time out, HKB. Score 44-41 in favor of HKD. First shot on jersey number 0. First shot is no good. Second shot. One more free throw on jersey number 0. First pass is good on jersey number 0. Number 32. Number 32. Moving the ball, pass to jersey number 13. Number 13. Pass number 32. Number 22. Spin. Number 32 for 3. So good. Rebound on jersey number 1. HKD ball. Number 12, inbound the ball. Pass to number 22. Number 22, pass to number 32. For 3. So good. Rebound on number 12. Number 12. Good back is good on jersey number 12. Number 6. Dribbling the ball. Pass number 1, Sam. Pass number 0. Back to Sam. Sam dribbling the ball. Pass number 0 fake. Number 0 drive. Pass number 1, Sam. Foul. Foul on jersey number 13.
14 seconds.
Substitution.
Yeah,
14 seconds on the shot clock. Call it. Number 2. Pass to number 6. Call him for 3. So good. Rebound on jersey number 13. Pass to number 32. Pass to number 13. 32. For 2. So good. Rebound on number 41. Basket good on jersey number 41. Score 42-48 in favor of HKD. 2 minutes left on the shot on the game clock. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Foul. Foul on jersey number 1.
Ilan na huwag mo sa'yo ba na?
5-team foul on Team HKD. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 0. First shot on jersey number 0. First shot is no good. Second shot on jersey number 0. Second shot is good on jersey number 0. Score 48-43 in favor of HKD. Number 13, pass number 1, back to number 31. Back to number 13. 13 setting up the play for 2. Offensive foul. Offensive foul on jersey number 41. Number 1, Sam. Crossing the half court. Sam, pass to Vic. Back to Sam. Sam, back to number 0. Number 0, back to Sam. Pass to Colin for 3. Hello, good. Rebound on jersey number 41. Pass to number 1. Number 1, pass to number 13. 13, back to number 1. Number 1, looking for teammates. Pass to number 32 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 22. The score, 43-50 in favor of HCD. For 3. Fourth personal foul on jersey number 32. 3 bonus free throw on jersey number 1. First free throw. First shot is good on jersey number 1. 6-point lead by Team HKD. Second shot is good on jersey number 1. Last shot. Basket good on jersey number 1. Score 50-46 in favor of HKD. Number 13. Number 13. Pass number 41. Basket good on jersey number 41. 33 seconds remaining on the game clock. For 3, so good. Rebound by jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 32. Back to number 41. Same ball. 16.7 seconds remaining on the game clock. 16.7 seconds. Number 13. Pass number 41. Basket good on jersey number 41. Foul on jersey number 11. First basket. Basket good on jersey number 41. 13 seconds remaining. 8, 7, 6. And the third quarter, score 55-46 in favor of HKD. HKD ball. HKD ball. Start of fourth quarter. Number 1, pass to number 13. Back to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 41. Back to number 14. Number 13. Pull out, cover, extended the ball on jersey number 2. Pass to Colin. Colin, pass it after. Pass to number 1, Sam. Sam driving. For 2. It's a logo, the ball on jersey number 26. Number 13. Pass to number 1. Formosa ball. Colin, moving the ball. Colin. Pass to number 1, Sam. Sam fake. Back to Colin. Still by jersey number 12. Pass to number 26. Number 26, pass to number 12. Number 12, waiting for his teammate. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 12 for 3. So good. Formosa ball. Number 1, Sam crossing the half-court. Sam setting up the play. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 6 for 3. So good. Ball number 26. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 1. Number 1 for 2. So good. The ball on number 6. Colin dribbling the ball. Colin driving for 2. So good. The ball on number 41. 41, pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 13. Number 13, pass to number 12 for 2. Easy basket for jersey number 12. Sam dribbling the ball. Sam setting up the play. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Number 2 driving for 2. Throw the ball on number 26. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Easy basket for jersey number 12. Colin, pass to number 1, Sam. Sam, moving the ball. Sam, foul. Foul on jersey number 12. Diamond Formosa. Score 59-46 in favor of HKD. Seven minutes and 20 seconds remaining on the game clock. Formosa ball. Colin on the ball, pass number 5, Tom. setting up the play. Pass number 1, Sam. Moving the ball, Sam for 2. Basket good on jersey number 11. Number 1. Pass to number 22. Back to number 13. Number 13. For 2. Shooting foul on jersey number 11. Blocking foul on jersey number 11. 2-point free throw on jersey number 13. First basket is good on jersey number 13. Second shot is good on jersey number 13. Sam, getting up the play. Pass to Colin, driving. Foul. Inbounding the ball. Pass number 11. Pass number 0. Number 0, fake. Drive. Basket good on jersey number 0. Pass number 1. Pass number 13. Pass number 41. 41, drive. Traveling violation on jersey number 41. 6 minutes and 22 seconds remaining on the game clock. Point. Pass number 1, Sam, for 3. 3 points on jersey number 1. The score, 53-61 in favor of HEB. Number 26. Pass to number 22. 22, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1 for 2. Sanogo, defensive rebound 41. Basket good on jersey number 41. Colin, pass to number 1, Sam. Pass to number 0. Number 0, pass to number 6 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 6. Number 13, setting up the play. Pass to number 22. Number 22, back to number 13. Pass to number 1. Back to number 22. Rebound on jersey number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 5, Tom. Back to number 1, Sam for 3. No good. And 55 seconds remaining on the game clock. HKT ball. Number 13, setting up the play. Number 13, pass number 1, pass number 41. Back to number 1 for 2. So good. Offensive rebound on jersey number 13. Formosa ball. Colin, dribbling the ball. Colin for 2. Basket good on jersey number 6, Colin. Pass to number 1, back to number 41. Pass to number 13, back to number 1, pass to number 41, back to basket good on jersey number 41. Sam, dribbling the ball, Sam, for 2. So good, rebound. Rebound on jersey number 13, pass to number 1, number 1. Pass number 41, pass number 13, pass number 12, pass number 32, fake for 2, easy basket on jersey number 32, score 58-67 in favor of HKD. Number 6 for 3, Sarolo, rebound on jersey number 32, pass number 12. Back to number 13, pass to number 1, pass to number 31, back to 1, for 2, Isarolo, rebound on jersey number 1, Sam running the floor, Sam, for 2, Isarolo, rebound on jersey number 2, Colin, rebound on jersey number 13, 13, pass to number 1, back to number 12. Pass to number 13. Number 13, setting up the play. Pass to number 1. Back to number 41. Back to number 13. Pass to number 12. Number 12. For 2. Basket 2. By jersey number 12. Colin. Pass to number 0. Number 0 for 2. Easy layup on jersey number 0. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 12. Back to number 1, pass to number 41. Back to number 13. Pass to number 12. Number 32. Steal by number 1. Sam. Easy layup on jersey number 1. Sam. Number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 1. For 3. Sarolo, the best people on jersey number 31. Rebound by number 6. Number 6. For 2. Sarolo, rebound on jersey number 12. Pass to number 13. Number 32. Pass to number 1. Back to number 13. 13. Dribbling the ball. Number 13. Pass to number 1.
Bro, 5 fouls na. 5 fouls na.
5 personal fouls on jersey number 32. Pass number 5 home, back to number 1, Sam for 3. Sarolo, rebound on jersey number 22. Pass number 41, back to number 13. Number 13. Rebound. Pass number 22. 22, fake. Pass number 13. 13. Pass number 41 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 41. No basket. Sideline inbound on Team HUD. Pass to number 13. 13. Back to number 12. Number 12. For 2. So no good. Rebound on jersey number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Easy layup on jersey number 2. Number 13. Crossing the half court. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Still by jersey number 2. Sam running the floor. Sam for 3. So no good. Rebound on jersey number 2. Number 2. Pass number 1. Number 1 for 3. So no good. Rebound on jersey number 22. 30 seconds left on the game clock. Pass to number 13. Back to number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 13. 7 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Basket good on jersey number 41. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake hands, both team. Shake hands. Scores 73-64 in favor of HAB. Second game, Tank Top versus